Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a habit that millions of people struggle with: biting your nails. But we're not just going to talk about how to stop. We're going to explore a fascinating hidden history of why beautiful, well-kept nails have been a symbol of status, health, and elegance for literally thousands of years. Understanding this might just be the motivation you need to finally quit. Let's rewind the clock. Way back in ancient civilizations like Egypt and Babylon, nails weren't just for scratching. They were a canvas. Archaeologists have found manicure sets in royal tombs dating back to 3200 BC. The Babylonians would color their nails with coal before going into battle. While in Egypt, Queen Nefertiti and Cleopatra used henna to stain their nails red. The color of your nails was a direct indicator of your social standing. The elite wore bold, striking colors while commoners were restricted to pale shades. Bitten, jagged nails that would have been unthinkable for someone of importance. It would have signaled a lack of self-control and a disregard for personal presentation, essentially announcing to the world that you were not part of the upper echelon. Keeping your nails pristine wasn't just about beauty, it was about power. Fast forward to ancient China during the Ming Dynasty. Long, perfectly manicured nails were the ultimate status symbol. Aristocratic men and women would grow their nails incredibly long, several inches, to show that they didn't need to do any manual labor. They even wore ornate nail guards made of gold and silver to protect them. These guards were like jewelry for your fingertips. Imagine trying to bite your nails through a solid gold protector. It was a clear, visual statement: my hands are for leisure, not for work. Biting your nails would have been seen as a self-inflicted demotion, a sign that you were of a lower, laboring class. So, from the very beginning, avoiding this habit was tied directly to projecting an image of elegance and high social rank. Now, let's jump to the Victorian era in the 19th century. This was a time of strict social etiquette and a huge emphasis on refined appearance. A proper lady was expected to have soft hands and clean buffed almond-shaped nails. They would use tinted powders and creams to give their nails a subtle, healthy-looking sheen. Nail biting was seen as a sign of nervousness and poor breeding. It was something associated with children or the mentally frail, not with a composed, respectable adult. In a society where every tiny detail of your appearance was scrutinized, having bitten nails could genuinely damage your social prospects. It suggested you lacked the discipline and grace expected of your station. Then came the 20th century, and with it, the birth of modern nail polish. The first liquid polish was inspired by automobile paint in the 1920s. Suddenly, Hollywood starlets were flashing vibrant, glossy nails on the silver screen. Think of icons like Rita Hayworth and her famous long red nails. This glamorous new look became aspirational for women everywhere. Having beautifully polished nails was no longer just about class. It was about embracing glamour, femininity, and modernity. Biting your nails became the direct opposite of this ideal. It was seen as damaging this new, exciting form of self-expression. You couldn't have a glamorous Hollywood look with frayed, bitten-down nails. The habit became associated with insecurity, a stark contrast to the confidence that a fresh manicure represented. So, when you think about it, quitting nail biting isn't just about hygiene or stopping a bad habit. It's about tapping into a legacy of self-respect, elegance, and confidence that spans millennia. From ancient queens to Hollywood icons, well-kept nails have always been a sign that you value yourself and your presentation. Every time you resist the urge to bite, you're not just growing your nails. You're aligning yourself with this powerful history of self-care. You're telling the world, and more importantly, yourself, that you are composed, confident, and worthy of feeling beautiful. I hope this little trip through time gives you a new perspective and some powerful motivation. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this interesting, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.